Hi, my name is Alejandra Roa. I am studying topography in Sena CTC. About us, Topo Market. We are a company dedicated to surveying with the Hitgets market precision, offering the best service our customers. Mission. Topo Market's mission is to provide our clients with topography service with the best technology in the market and also contributed to the topography community in training, upgrades, and equipment acquisition. View. B. 2030, we want to optimize the management and quality of topography surveys, thus being one of the companies that provide this service. Objective of the company and make topography surveys with the best aquarium of the country, bring to the country new technologies, improve the process to get topography surveys, and logo company in logo is a triangle and the name the company. Objective of the project. In topography surveys exist different equations to correct mistakes, but when it's necessary to correct the heat, it is impossible. For that reason, it is looking for an equation to correct the possible mistakes. In process, one planning, one define the areas of study, two execution, one two perform planimetric survey in the area of proposed study. Two the collection of data obtained in the field. Three perform altimetric surveys of the proposed study area. To four collection of data obtained in field. Three analysis. Three one study of the results that were collected in the field. Three two processing of data of the verification of tolerances required in the study. Four final results. For one make final study product. For two some plants with tolerances making found. For three trace the models. For four field portfolio. Passive voice. The company instruments are calibrated B, C, and D. Company. The instruments were bought in Germany. The instruments are chosen for the quality. The study areas were selected in the planning that was collected and field. Study of the results were collected in the field. Altimetric surveys were made with a total station. The plans are made before study of the results. For the topography execution, surveys three people and needed. The 3D models are performed in AutoCAD. The study is based in a previous project. The study is located in Sena City. And thank you for viewing.